I'm wearing a green shirt. I'm wearing a green shirt. Don't worry, it's laundry day. Hell has not frozen over. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a quick smoky eye using my Narsissist palette. My wanted Narsissist palette, one of my favorite palettes. I've got some new makeup coming soon. I just gotta wait for it to get in the mail. So, I've already done my base because I don't know what your base is like. Mine's different because I don't wear foundation, so I just put concealer on and I throw some powder under my eyes. I use the Maybelline Fit Me powder because I have really dry skin and it does not make my eyes look crepey. I've used the Airspun powder. Don't mind the top. I put my eyebrow liner on there to smush it out. I need to get me a palette. But anyways, what the hell was I saying? Oh, I've used the Coty Airspun. I used the Coty Airspun powder and it made my eyes look really crepey and aged. So I tried this powder. I heard from a shit ton of YouTubers that it was really good, so I tried it and they were right. Now they also said this was good, the Coty Airspun. But I remember my mom using that, so it smells like grandma. Even for that, I don't like it. It smells like an old lady's bathroom. Okay, so I'm using the Nars Wanted palette, and I'm going to do a quick smoky eye. We've already established those things. See, I keep losing my train of thought. So, other under eye powders I would like to try. I heard there's one out there that's 50% water and glycerin, and I'm really interested to see what that's like, especially for somebody with dry skin. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the lightest color in this palette and just put it all over the lid. My eyelids are staying pink from an eye lift that I did earlier. I put some Tarte Shape Tape over that, but they're still a little pink. The older my Tarte Shape Tape gets, what? The worse it performs. So, just a heads up on that. I'm going to start doing some spring looks, but I'm also going to throw in some, I know this is going to sound weird, it's not that time of year, but some Halloween looks, some weird looks, scary looks. I just kind of want to practice and keep up with it, so whenever that time of year does come around, I'll be good to go. Because I really want to learn how to play with latex and all that, and not that I don't know how to play with latex. I was thinking clothing, latex clothing. I'm going to go in with the lightest brown shade, and I'm not going to bring it all the way over here. I'm not doing the usual like fade out, way out past my eyebrow line. I'm going to be keeping it on the mobile lid area for the most part, and the upper lid. I brought it a little bit down on the nose, the bridge of the nose. So now I'm going to take the dark brown all over the lid. Alright, now I'm just going to blend that and top shadow together. This palette blends out real easily, so it doesn't take much. Swipe away any fallout, which isn't much either. Okay, now I'm going to put on a liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, lashes and liner are on. Now, the reason I did those off camera is because you don't have to put lashes or liner on. So it's up to you, obviously personal preference. So I'm going to throw on some blush. Not even going to put any other product on my brush. I'm going to say that. And this is what I do when I'm in a hurry. So you don't have to be in a hurry. I mean, I do more makeup on my face than this when I'm in a hurry. So I'm gonna put some bronzer on, or contour, either way. And of course, I'm going to put some highlight on. Which highlight? I'll use my Pure Cosmetics palette. And the reason I'm using this is because it's closest to the color I want, but I'm out of highlighter. When I mean I'm out of highlighter, I'm out of my favorite highlighter. So that's what's coming in the mail. And that will do for now. This is okay. I mean, it's good. It's just not what I prefer. So, alright, I'm going to put some lipstick on. And I think I'll use my Hard Candy Velvet Mousse. And this is in the color Mimosa Blossom. Champagne Orange Juice Blossom. I love this. I love this lipstick's color. The formula's okay, but it doesn't dry down all the way, so it has mad transfer. Okay, I'm just going to throw some of the lightest brown on my lower lash line. Can't speak in this video. So this is the finished look. I didn't have to grab a black out of another palette. I just used this palette, and it's got some shimmery bronzy color in there, or satiny color, or whatever you want to call it. And so you could use that on top of the lid as well. There's a million different looks you could do with this little palette. The color scheme in it is amazing. It blends so easily. So that's definitely something I want out of a palette, especially when I'm in a hurry. I don't want to have to be there blending and blending and blending, blending. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know it's quick. I do a lot of quick makeup looks because sometimes I only get like 4 hours of sleep for work, so I still want to look good. Still want to feel good. I don't want to go to work looking like yesterday's makeup, which I've done many and many a times. And I'll do a video on that too. You're not supposed to sleep in your makeup, but that is besides the point. Besides the point. So, anyways, I hope you all have a good night or day, Truman Show, and I will see you all on the flip side. Bye.